Today we're excited to introduce the FLEXISPOT Adjustable C Table with wheels, a versatile and convenient addition to any small space. This mobile snack side table is perfect for sliding under your sofa, couch, or bed, thanks to its four 360-degree swivel rolling wheels that allow for effortless room-to-room transitions. With a height range adjustable from 26 to 41.7 inches, it meets various demands, whether you're using it as a bedside desk, overbed table, or even a TV tray for eating. Crafted with durable board and premium metal frames, this sturdy design ensures exceptional stability and safety, featuring an arc-angle tabletop and a smooth, waterproof surface for easy cleaning. The FLEXISPOT C Table is a multifunctional powerhouse, ideal for use near furniture like beds, couches, and recliners, and can even serve as a breakfast tray for bedridden patients or the elderly. Assembly is a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes with all tools, hardware, and instructions included. Don't miss out on this must-have piece that combines functionality with style, making it a perfect fit for any home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.